Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Judy Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. Yes guys, I have a new parcel and it's inbox in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay, so now let's open it. Let's see what's inside. There's another pouch. Okay. Not the same courier. And so it's wrapped in cardboard. Let's remove the tape. Okay, this is very carefully. Now, let's see. I may take a dito. What I ordered. Alright, so I ordered some trend. Actually, may nag-send lang sa akin nito, yung asawa ko. And gusto ko lang itry. Sabi ko, pagkakita ko, sabi ko, wow, sarap. And tanan! This is some sponge cake. Ayan. Ranley sponge cake. O, diba? Super fluffy. O, diba? So, may different flavor ito, guys. I think. Ay, hindi. I just ordered 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kasi nga, 5 kami guys. 1 for me, 1 for my husband, and 1 for each of my kids. Para tig-iisa kami. O, diba? 1 pieces of Ranley chiffon Mammon cake. Hindi pala ako nakapag-order ng ibang flavor. Kasi nga, gusto ko muna i-try kung masarap talaga. So, it's like a Mammon soft cake, guys. Murang-mura lang siya. For only 70 pesos. Ito ba? 70 pesos. Randy soft cake na to. Fluffy. Oh, very fluffy siya, guys. Even ganun yun siya. So, bumabalik siya. So, I'll try to do another video trying this cake, guys, kung masarap ba talaga. And I'll tell you in my next video. So, if interested kayo bumili ng ganito, guys, just DM me on my Facebook page, Lia B. Lia B 2.0 or Lia B 3.0, so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget guys to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.